Hey, what's up? Another boring afternoon here in my garage. So today I installed something again for my Mazda Miata. So today I installed a Bluetooth receiver so that I can stream wirelessly from my phone to the head unit. So my Miata is year 2007. It doesn't have any Bluetooth built in. I added a 3.5 mm so that I can connect to my phone, but it's a hassle taking it out, putting it in. So I decided to get a Bluetooth receiver. I got this from Amazon, or probably I forgot the price, but it's a good one. So I fabricate a mounting so that I mounted it properly there. I route the cable inside. This is for my dash cam, and the other one is for the supply for this. Yeah, so it connects right away to your phone. Once you turn on the car, I'm gonna turn on the car right now. Once you turn on the ignition, it will connect to your phone. As you can see that it will connect to your phone directly, and then it will you play right away whatever in your for example Spotify. So I got Spotify, it will play right away. So cool. So it has built-in microphone. You can change the track with this button. You don't need to check your phone or anything. Yeah, and you can pause it as well. You can answer a call. I haven't tried it yet, but it should work. Anyway, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Yeah, comment if you have questions.